Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this the final session of ratios and proportion. What I promised yesterday that we are going to conduct one more session on ratios and proportion. We have already conducted 4 sessions, and today might be the last session of the ratios and proportion. So do join me, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Okay, so once you join, guys, please do not forget to share the session with your friends and like across different study groups so that they can also join us. Today is the final session of ratios and proportion. So, whatever are the miscellaneous types which are remaining, we are going to cover inside it. We are going to cover inside it whatever is remaining in the ratios, guys. We have already completed 4 sessions, so that might be going to be the last and the final session here. Okay. So I think we have done till here. Might be the question till here, guys. We might have done this question as far as I remember. Yeah. So we will continue after this. We will continue after this and do whatever is remaining in today's class. Good morning, Shrivani. Good morning, all others. Those who have come, please do let me know by the help of your comments. And after your joining, guys, do the sharing of the session as well. So this is from where we are beginning today. Please read the question very carefully. Read the question very carefully. The question is starting with the condition. The question is starting with the condition. If 50 less applied, 25 less selected, ratio of selected to unselected would be. How many candidates has applied if the ratio of selected to unselected was this? So it is beginning with the condition, guys. It is beginning with the condition. Okay. So first you need to identify that initially the ratio of selected and unselected was 2:1. Initially the ratio of selected and unselected was 2:1. Initially the ratio of selected and unselected was 2:1. So you will say selected, unselected, and the total of them is going to be applied. And the total of them is going to be applied. Selected was 2, unselected was 1, so applied is 3. So applied is 3. Selected and unselected ratio is applied. So if selected is 2, unselected is 1, then applied is 3. You can assume them K as well. 2K, 1K, 3K. 2K, 1K, 3K. 50 less applied. So applied are 3K minus 50. 25 less selected. Selected are 25 minus 25. Sorry, 2K minus 25. Now the first important thing, what is going to be the value of unselected? What is going to be the value of unselected? Come on, do reply me. What is going to be the value of unselected? At this point, lot of students do the error. It's minus 25, it's minus 50, so it should be minus 25 here as well. Have you got this point? 2K plus K, 3K, minus 25, minus 50. So this is the point where some of the students do the error. So newly unselected K minus 25, newly applied 3K minus 20, newly selected 2K minus 25. Selected and unselected would be in the ratio 9:4. Selected 2K minus 25, unselected K minus 25 would be in the ratio 9:4. 8k minus 100 is equal to 9k minus 225. Take this over here. K is equal to 125. K is equal to 125. K is equal to 125. How many candidates have applied 3k? How many candidates have applied 3k? So 3 into 125, 375. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Now, one more innovative way. One more innovative way. What is that innovative way? The innovative way is applied was 3k. Initially applied, total applied was 3k. Total applied was 3k. So answer should be a multiple of 3. Answer should be a multiple of 3. Is this a multiple of 3? No. Is this a multiple of 3? No. Is this a multiple of 3? No. 7, 12, 15. This is a multiple of 3. Answer. So if only one multiple is there, then you can do the question like this as well. If only one multiple is there, then you can do the question like this as well. However, this is the complete way. You should be knowing this complete way as well. You should be knowing this complete way as well. And you can find out the answer like this as well. You can find out the answer like this as well. Provided what? There is only one multiple. There is only one multiple whose chances are very huge. Yeah. Chances are very huge that you might get only one multiple. Yeah. Great. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Let's do one more question over this. Here you are getting more than one multiples. Here you are getting more than one multiple. So please, that is the reason. That was the reason I told you the complete process in the beginning. That was the reason I told you the complete process in the beginning. In a selection process, a ratio of selected to unselected is this. Okay. So initially the actual condition is given. Initially the actual condition is given. Now if after that condition, so initially the actual condition is given that the selected, unselected, total is applied. Selected, unselected is in the ratio 3:1. So applied would be 3 plus 1, 4. They are asking how many candidates applied in the examination. They are asking how many candidates applied in the examination. So answer should be multiple of 4. Answer should be multiple of 4, but most of them are. That is the reason, guys, I initially told you the complete process. Most of the options are multiple of 4. So the only way left to us is put a k over here. 3k, k and 4k. Now read the condition very carefully. 180 less applied. So new applied 4k minus 180. 90 less selected. 3k minus 90. What should be the value of unselected? What should be the value of unselected? Minus 90, minus 180. So here should also be minus 90. Minus 90. Here should also be minus 90 to make it minus 180 over here, because this is the summation of both. This is the summation of both. So summation of these two should be equal to these two. Like if this is 3k plus k, 4k, minus 90, minus 90, minus 180. So these are new selected and unselected values. These are new selected and unselected values. So 3k minus 90 upon k minus 90 would be in the ratio 5:1. 3k minus 90 is equal to 5k minus 450. Take this over here. So 2k would be equal to, take this over here, 360. K is 180. K is 180. So how many total candidates applied? They are 4k. How many total candidates applied? They are 4k. So 4k are 4 into 180, 720. Is this process is completely clear? Is the process is completely clear, bacha? Is the process is completely clear? Very, very important type, guys. Recently is being asked in the examination these days. Recently, this is being asked in the examinations. Okay, so I've taken 2 examples over it. That is what we have not covered that day. So we have finished it today. We have finished it today. I hope it would be absolutely clear with you. Perfect. Well done. Well done. Now, these questions have also started coming, guys, these days. So now we will deal with these questions. Something is added, the new ratio comes there. What would be the new ratio if something more would be added? So we will tackle these problems as well. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. 13 is subtracted from each. Numbers will become in the ratio 10:21. If 15 would be added to each, what would be the new ratio? What would be the new ratio? Just a minute. It's absolutely fine. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 13 is subtracted from each, the new ratio will become 10:21. If 15 would be added to each, what would be the new ratio? Guys, whenever you are subtracting the same number, then that question can be done directly by the ratio. Then that question can be done directly by the new ratio, only the ratio. Let me tell you how. Are Shudeep, welcome Shudeep. Initially 3:5, then new is 10:21. Welcome Sudeep. On a meeting you for the first time on the new platform, yeah. Shrivani is like from the beginning. Okay. So whenever you are subtracting or adding the same number, you can make this difference equal. Once you make this difference equal, that will automatically become equal. Multiply by 11 over here, multiply by 2 over here to make that difference equal. So new ratios would be 33, 55, and this is 20 and 42. So what is the difference? 13 over here, 13 decrement and 13 decrement over here. And they are also saying that 13 is subtracted. And according to the ratio, it is also coming 13, means these are the actual values. According to the ratio, it is also saying that 13 is subtracted, and question is also saying that 13 is subtracted, means these are the what? These are the actual values. So your numbers originally were 33 and 55. Your numbers originally was 33 and 55. If you add 15 to each, 48. If you add 15 to each, 70. What is the new ratio? 24:35. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Absolutely clear. We will do more examples. Just do not worry about it. We will do more examples as well. We will do more examples as well. I hope this would be clear. Okay. Great. Great. Good to know. Good to know. Let's try one more over this. Let's try one more over this. I, guys, personally recommend you to get through all the ratios and proportion 5 sessions, whatever I've taken, to go through them, guys, to go through them. That will definitely complete your topic. Guys. If you can go through them only in 5 hours, and in only 5 hours your ratios and proportion is completed, not a bad deal, not a bad deal. Yeah. I might have taken 4 to 5 sessions over the ratios and proportion. You can go through that today only, make the notes of some important questions, and you will feel that your topic is complete. One topic in a day only. Yeah? One topic, you can complete the topic in a day only. Okay, now you are adding the different numbers. When you have to add the difference numbers, that ratio directly cannot be done by the ratios. Now it's necessary to assume the k. When you are adding the different numbers, now it cannot be done only by the ratios. Now you need to take the k as well. 3:5. 8 is added to the first and 7 is added to the second. You are adding different numbers. If you are adding different numbers, do not forget to take the k. Now, adding the 8 to the first number, 3k plus 8, and 7 to the second number, 5k plus 7. So the new ratio would be 3k plus 8 over 5k plus 7 would be in the ratio 2:3. Would be in the ratio 2:3. So whenever you are adding the different numbers, do not forget to take the k. Cross multiply. 9k plus 24 is equal to 10k plus 14. So k is equal to 10. So k is equal to 10. What is the value of k? K is equal to 10. So my original numbers were putting k is equal to 10, 30 and 50. So my original numbers were putting k is equal to 10, 30 and 50. What would be the new ratio if 6 is added to each? Simplifying by 4, 9 times. Simplifying by 4. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Shrivani, Sudeep, I know it would be clear to you. What about the others? Shrivani and Sudeep, I know it would be clear to you. What about the others, bacha? Clear to all? So your actual numbers were, on putting k is equal to 10, your actual numbers would be 30 and 50. So once you add 6 to both the numbers, they will become 36, 56. That is 9:14. Okay. Great. Some more exam oriented variety, exam oriented variety. Boys and girls in a particular class is given in this ratio. Boys increase by 10, number of girls increase by something. The new ratio has become 5:6. The new ratios have become 5:6. What is the value of n? What is the value of n? Uh, is the question is good because my first impression is let the boys and girls are 3k and 4k. Let the boys and girls are 3k and 4k. Boys increase by 10. So 3k plus 10. Girls increase by n. 4k plus n. The new ratio is 5:6. So in single equation, what is there? There are two variables. In single equation, there are two variables. So can you find out the value? Can you find out the value? Come on, tell me. In one equation, there are two variables. Can you find out the value? Come on, tell me, guys. In a single equation, can you find out the value? K is also unknown, N is also unknown. How can we find out the value of K and both by the help of this equation? How can we find out the value of K and N with the help of only this equation? No, we cannot. There can be multiple answers. There can be multiple answers. Yeah, there can be multiple answers. Let me give you the demo. Let me give you the demo. Let's suppose it is 30 and 40. It is 30 and 40. K is 10. Once you add 10, it will become 40. Now, your ratio is 5:6. Your ratio is 5:6. 5 8 ja 40. 5 8 ja 40. 6 8 ja 48. So that is possible by adding 8 only. Got my point? Got my point? What did I just said? Let the K is 10. Initially 30, 40. You add 10 boys, they have become 40. Now the ratio is 5:6. So 5 is equal to 40, 1 is equal to 8, 6 is equal to. So answer comes out to be 8. Answer comes out to be 8. Let's take one more case. Let's take one more case. You take K is equal to 5. So 15 and 20. By adding 10, it has become 25. Now they should be maintaining 5:6. So 5 5 ja 25, 6 5 ja 30. So in this case, guys, girls are increasing by 10. In this case, girls are increasing by 10. So you can say for the different values of K, different values of N are coming. For the different values of K, different values of N are coming. So answer would be cannot be determined. Please do watch out here. Please do watch out. If it is clear, then do let me know. For the different values of K, different values of N are coming. Like this was very, very clearly visible from here as well. That was very, very clearly visible from here as well. Perfect. That was clearly visible from here as well. Let's move on. Now that is doable because now the actual number of students is given. That is doable because now the actual number of students are given. Now that is visible because the actual number of students are given. So you can do it very easily, guys, in a very properly manner, in a very easy manner, that initially out of 640 students, girls and boys, or you can say boys and girls, is in the ratio 5:3. Out of 640 students, boys and girls is in the ratio 5. Now that is something very easy to do. So you will say, sir, according to the ratio, total is 8. 8 is equal to 640, means 1 is equal to 80. So 5 is equal to 5 into 80, 400, and 3 is equal to 420. So these are their actual values. These are their actual values. Boys and girls are 400 to 40. Boys and girls are 400 to 40. Cool. ठीक है. When you admit 30 more girls, so girls would be 270. Girls would be 270. Finally, they are maintaining the ratio of 14:9. Can I say 9 is equal to 270? Can I say 9 is equal to 270? So 1 is equal to 30. So 14 is equal to 14 into 30, 420. Fill in the blanks is completed. Fill in the blanks is completed. So how many boys added? How many boys added? 20. Please do watch out. Any issues, you can ask me. Any issues, guys, you can ask me. According to the ratio, total is 8. 8 is equal to 640. 1 is equal to 80. 5 is equal to 400. 3 is equal to 240. These are their original values. These are their actual values. Now 30 girls added. Girls has become 270. Girls has become 270. Finally, they are maintaining the ratio of 14:9. 9 is equal to 270. 1 is equal to 30. So 14 into 30 is 420. So now finally the boys would be 420. Finally, the boys would be 420. How many added? 20. Can we do it by the ratios only? Can we do it by the ratios only, guys? Let me check your concepts. Can we do it by the ratios only? No. Because different values are added to both. If you ever think about that we can be find out by doing without the values finding, the answer would be no. Because girls is added 30, boys might be 20, boys might be 10, boys might be 5, boys might be 15, 12, 18, whatever. So you need to do it by the exact value. You need to do it by the exact value. Well done, Nishant. 14:9 is already given. So 9 actual value comes out to be 370 and 14 actual value comes out to be 420. So 20 boys should be added. Perfect. If it is perfect, guys, you can let me know by the help of your comments, your thumbs ups, your hearts, or you can say yes sir as well. What? Oh, two questions clubbed. Just a moment. Just a moment. Oh, Let's do this first. Let's do this first. Why does this happen? This happened in the last moment. Just a moment. I've saved the file. Okay, no issues. Those questions I will take up in the upcoming sessions. Those questions I will take up in the upcoming sessions if something will remain. Yeah, it got a bit disturbed. But no issues. We have a lot of questions. Yeah. Rupees 8,000 is divided among A, B, and C such that they receive notes of 500, 200, and 100 each. The amounts received by them is in the ratio 15 to 3. What is the ratio of the number of the notes? Okay. Like you are given about the notes, you are given about the denominations, you are given about the number, and you are asked being about number of notes. And you are being asked about number of notes. So let me tell you guys, if you have a 1 rupee coin, and let's suppose you have 10 of them, then you will form 10 rupees out of it. This is called as denomination. Denomination means the value of each note, and this is your number, and this is the value or the amount what you have formed. So we can easily say that denomination into number is equal to the value. Denomination into number is equal to the value, or number is equal to the value upon denomination. Number is equal to value upon denomination. Number is equal to value upon denomination. Okay. So the value is in the ratio. The value is in the ratio 15:2:3. And denomination. Denomination means what is printed over each note. So each note it is printed in the ratio. 5:1. So denomination is in the ratio 5:1. So number would come in the ratio 3:1:3. Please do watch out. Any issues, I am there. Any issues, I am there. I can take it once more. Value is in the ratio 15:2:3 already given. Value is in the ratio 15:2:3 already given. Denomination. This is what we call as denomination, like the value of each note. Well done, Nishant. Well done, Sudhap. Well done, Shrivani. This is what we call as value of each note. So, like denomination. So, denomination would be in the ratio 5:2:1. So, you will divide it by 5:1. You will divide it by 5:1. So 15:2:3 divided by 5:1. So 3:1:3. Any worries, guys? Any worries? No, na? So we will do more bag and denomination problems. And here they are in front of you. Acha, this is, chalo, Let's first do this. Let's first do this. That we will leave as a homework. That we will leave as a homework. Yeah. Well done, Shrivani. Well done, Nishant. Well done, Shudeep. Absolutely brilliant, guys. Absolutely brilliant. ₹1, 50 paise, 25 paise coins. ₹1, 50 paise, 25 paise coins. Total number of coins is given. And the value of the coins is in the ratio given. Find the number of 25 paise coins. Find the number of 25 paise coins. ₹1. 50 paise is half rupee. 50 paise is half rupee. And 25 paise is 1/4 rupee. 25 paise is 1/4 rupee. So this is the denomination. This is what? This is the denomination. This is the actual denomination of them. Values are given. The value ratio is given. The value ratio is 13:11:7. The value ratio is 13:11:7. Guys, how can we find out? How can we find out the number ratio from it? As we know that value is equal to denomination into number. So number is value upon denomination. So number is value upon denomination. So number is value upon denomination. 13 upon 1. 11 upon 1/2. 7 upon 1/4. Yeah. 7 upon 1/4. So 13 upon 1, 13. This 2 will go in the numerator, 22. And this 4 will go in the numerator, 28. So this is the number ratio. This is the number ratio. The number of coins is in the ratio 13:22:28. 13:22:28. Total number of coins according to the ratio 63. Total number of coins according to the ratio, it's 50:63, which is given as 378. 6 times, yeah. Number of 25 paise coins, they are 28. Number of 25 paise coins, 28. So 28 would be equal to 28 into 6. Please do watch out. Any issues, do ask me. Please do watch out. Any issues, do ask me. Denomination ratio was given, number ratio, like value ratio was given, and the value of the denominations also we know, so we can find out the number ratio. So we can find out the number ratio. This was our number ratio. This was our number ratio. According to this, the total was 63. According to this, the total was 63, which is given as 378. So, like this. Any issues whatsoever, guys? You know there is a 1K way of doing as well. But that is cool. That is cool. If you want to make it bit more short, then only you can do one thing. Then only you can do one more thing is you can take out the denomination ratio in the very beginning. You can take out the denomination ratio in the very beginning by multiplying by 4. So it is 4 to 1 denomination. Value is 13 ratio 11 ratio 7. Okay. However, that is also going to remain the same. It's 13 by 4, 11 by 2, then 7 by 1. Again, you have to multiply by 4. So that is not also like doing your job any kind of short. So it's 13 ratio 22. Even the first one was cool. The first one was cool. Yeah. So just skip this. Skip this. Come on, do it. Do it. Quickly share the session, guys. If you have already done the sharing part, then guys, if you are liking the session, if you are learning through the session, if you are enjoying the session, if there is something new in the session, then please do not forget to like it as well. Yeah, then please do not forget to like it as well. The number ratio is given. 1 rupee, 50 paise and 10 paise coins. The number ratio is given. Total value is given. Total value is given. This is number ratio. This is number ratio. So, 1 rupee denomination, 50 paise 1 by 2 rupee denomination, 10 paise 1 by 10 rupee denomination. 10 paise is 1 by 10 rupee. Because to convert paise into rupee, you have to divide by 100. Now, the number ratio is given. Number ratio is 6 ratio 9 ratio 10. Value can be found out by denomination into number. Value can be found out by denomination into number. Value can be found out by denomination into number. So 1 into 6, 6. 9 into half, 4.5. 10 into 1 by 10, 1. So according to the ratio, total value is 11.5. According to the ratio, total value is 11.5, which is given as 34.5, which is actually given as 34.5. I think this will simplify 3 times. 11 3 ja 33.5 3 ja 1.5. This will simplify 3 times. It's in the multiplication of 3. It's in the multiplication of 3. So now what do you want to find out? You want to find out the number of 10 paise coins. Number of 10 paise coins are 10. Number of 10 paise coins are 10. Multiplication factor is 3. So value of 10 would be equal to 10 into 30, 30 coins. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Do come to know. Any issues, guys, return back to me. Return back to me. Clear? Clear? ₹5, ₹2, ₹1 coins. Value is known. Total number of coins known. How many ₹2 coins are there? denomination is 5 rupee, 2 rupee and 1 rupee. Everything is in the rupee, so no need to worry about. Everything is in the rupee, so no need to worry about. Their values is in the ratio 15:4:2. What do we know? We know that if value ratio known, denomination known, then number can be found out by value upon denomination. Then number can be found out by value upon denomination. I think I said it correctly. I write it inversely. Value upon denomination. V upon D. 15/5, 4/2, 2/1. So number ratio is coming out to be 3, 2, 2. Number ratio is coming out to be 3, 2, 2. Total number according to the ratio is 7. Total number according to the ratio is 7, which is given as 112. Which is given as 112. So multiplication of 16. So multiplication of 16. 2 rupee coins. 2 rupee coins are 4. 2 rupee coins are 4. So 4 would be equal to 4 into 16. 64 is the answer. Please do watch out. What? Should I watch it once more? What happened, bacha? What they are asking? Number of 2 rupee coins. 2 rupee coins are 4. 2 rupee coins are 4. And 4 into 16 is 64. Sudeep and Shrivani, have you done some errors? Sudeep and Shri, have you done some errors, bacha? 3, 2, 2. 7 is equal to 112. So 1 is equal to 16. 2 rupee coins. 2 rupee coins. Acha, they are asking the number. They are asking the number. Yeah, you. Just a minute. So number of 2 rupee coins are, the number of 2 rupee coins are 2. That was the value ratio. That was the value ratio. Okay, that was the value ratio. So number of coins are 2. Number of coins are 2. So if 7 is equal to 112, then 2 is equal to 32. Yeah. Because they are asking the number of coins. So answer would be 32. Okay, yeah, got it. Perfect. Yeah, number of coins is what they were asking. Okay, so good to have done this particular session with me. So now I am receiving this question as a homework. You have to comment your answers in the comment box. This is the question, is the homework for you. You have to give the answers in the comment box. I will definitely check. This question is also the homework for you. I will definitely check it. Yeah. So, 1 homework, 2 homework. These questions I will take in some other arithmetic sessions for sure. Okay. So, I will take up these in the some other sessions for sure. This is also the homework. 3 questions are the homework for you. one from divide and share, what we have completed, one from divide and share, one from bag and denomination, one from bag and denomination, and one from what? Selected, unselected, selected, unselected. So if any of the question is unique question is remaining from here, I will definitely take it up. I will definitely take it up in the upcoming sessions or upcoming arithmetic classes. Upcoming arithmetic classes. Okay. So we will begin with the new topic in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great time, and do complete this ratios and proportion series completely. And do complete this ratios and proportion series completely. I have taken almost 5 sessions inside it. Please do complete it today only by watching, by revising all the 5 sessions, making the proper notes, writing down the important questions, writing down the important points, and make a copy, guys. Make a copy of 1500 pages for ratios only. Make a copy of 1500 pages for the ratios only. Okay, you can give it a proper name as well. We will begin with the next topic, most probably from the arithmetic as well, either TSD or time and work. That would be informed to you by the help of the thumbnail. So take care of yourself. See you in the next session. Take care of yourself. Have a great time.